Alright y'all, so I'm pretty much done with this look. I'm going to take my headband off in a little bit. I just want the top to set a little bit. So a few things I want to say about these clip-ins is, one, I definitely recommend y'all apply the clip-ins to your scalp or to your head while they're wet. And while your natural hair is wet too. Everyone's hair is different, so I understand some people with looser curls probably can't apply them wet. However, if you can't apply it wet to your natural hair, I would just wet the extensions itself and then apply it to your dry natural hair and then wet it all in gel and, you know, leave in and all that other stuff. In regards to shedding, I believe in the beginning of the video I did show y'all a little bit of shedding I had while I was washing the hair, and then also while I was brushing the hair I did get a little bit of shedding as well too. It was pretty normal, honestly. It was probably either the equivalent to what type of shedding I would get if this hair came as a wig. So pretty normal, especially when you have thick curly hair. It's gonna shed a decent amount. That's to be expected. Now, in terms of the curls and how it blends in with my natural hair, I am ordering, well, I did order another bundle of this hair. It's not coming in for another few days. This is the 12-inch, and then I ordered a 14-inch as well too. Now, when it comes to you're having a full look and everything like that, I will say definitely you probably, especially if you have a full head of hair, you definitely want to order 2 bundles if you're going to get this hair 100%. You can get away with doing, especially if you have longer hair, you can definitely get away with doing 1 bundle. However, just for a fuller look and for a more uniform look, I would definitely recommend y'all get 2 bundles. Now, with my undercut, I do actually have 2 of the clip-ins left over, the 1-clip clip-ins. I have 2 of them left over. I am probably going to stick them back there just for like a little more volume, so things of that nature. However, if you do have an undercut or you don't have a full head of hair, it's definitely going to be a lot easier for you to use these clip-ins. Now, in terms of the actual clip-in part of the extension, really easy to use. You just pop it. This is my first time ever using clip-in extensions. Now, I was very, very nervous about, one, my natural hair not blending in with the clip-ins, and then on top of that, I was also very nervous about pretty much the fact that my hair is on the shorter side, and this is 12 inches. Now, I know I've seen a lot of videos where like girls have like 2 inches of hair and they get like 16-inch clip-ins and it looks perfectly fine, like it looks so normal. However, I was just a little worried with how it was gonna come out. Now, in terms of like, I guess you could say the center, it's really the front of my head where my leave out is that I'm really worried about. Because pretty much for the most of it, my other leave out around my scalp, because the hair is short, it's being covered by the clip-in, so it's blending in, but even if it didn't blend in, you kind of wouldn't see it regardless. So I'm really more so worried about my leave out. I feel like I could have, or I should have, probably left myself with a little bit more leave out, because I did originally want to do a middle part, but however, as I was doing it, I realized I couldn't do a middle part. But we'll have to see. But yeah, I'm gonna let the top of my head dry a little bit more, and so I can show you guys the final look. I'm really, really loving these clip-ins so far. I think they just look really, really pretty. I'm gonna show you the back. Hope you guys can see that pretty well. The hair is very voluptuous, and one thing I will say, y'all can already tell from just the video that the hair is like poofing up and it's getting a lot of volume, which I love. However, I did blow dry this a little bit with my diffuser, as you've seen in the video so far. But if I just left it wet, you can do that as well too, to have more of a down look if you want that. However, I'm just loving how natural this is, and I also love how the length of the hair is covering up my undercut, which is great because, it's covering up my undercut, but also, y'all, as you can see, like in the back of my head, I don't have, I used to have an undercut, I used to have shaved sides, so it's very, very, very short. However, what I loved about it is that the clip-ins actually do clip in to your very, very short hair, depending on the thickness of your hair. So when I get my second bundle, which I'll do a second video on using both sets of the bundles, I'm gonna be able to do a full look, which I'm really, really excited for. This hair looks so natural, and I don't know, I'm really happy I bought this. This is a very, very good purchase, and it was from Amazon too, y'all, so it came in really, really quickly. It literally only came in a day and a half. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it wasn't perfect, but I tried my best. So thank y'all for watching and enjoy the rest of the video. I cannot say it enough. I am so happy, y'all. I love these clip-ins. One, not only because they're just easy to install and stuff, but because they blend in really well. They take product really, really well. They don't tangle up. The hair is soft, but most of all, I can wear my natural hair out with or without braids. Right now, I don't have any braids in my hair. A lot of people, when they use clip-ins, they like to braid their hair and stuff like that, which I think is fine, especially for various styles, but I just feel like the point of clip-ins is to clip it into your real hair in order for it, you know, to get like a fuller look or a longer look, X, Y, and Z, so on and so forth. You know, I feel like when people do clip-ins with braids and stuff, in regards to like, you know, having half of the head braided or, you know, whatever it may or may not be, I feel like at that point you might as well just buy a wig in the same texture as the clip-ins are, since you're not really wearing a lot of your natural hair out. However, to each their own. So I'm really, really happy, especially because I've been working out a lot more recently, so I can, you know, I can go and, you know, I can wear this while working out, and like the clips are sturdy, they're not going anywhere, there's no issue. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Got this one little hair sticking up that's annoying me, but I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video when I get the 14-inch clip-ins in. So thank y'all for watching. It's Johnny Tsunami, and I'll see y'all next time.